Hey friends, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Oais, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the purple iPhone 12 mini and the purple iPhone 12. There's nothing special about these iPhone. They're still exactly the same as the previous iPhone 12. It's just the summer color that Apple released. So let's just start with the unboxing. So we're going to start with the iPhone 12 mini first. Just take this out of the way. So nothing changed on the boxes or anything like that. You still have the iPhone 12 image, but obviously in purple. The iPhone branding is purple. Apple logo on the sides are purple as well. So on the back, same old box. There's always an excitement when opening an iPhone or any Apple product. Wow. Okay, so I thought it's going to be a lot darker than what it is. This is more like a lilac. And it sort of matches the AirTag keychain there. Yeah, it's not as bright as I thought it would be. But anyway, let's just put this to one side. Something I did notice, there must be an error. There's some sort of tape on the designed by Apple in California. I'm not sure why, but here you have the pin, the manuals, and the Apple sticker. And then you have the lightning cable as well. So the same accessories. Of course, you don't get the charger and the AirPods. It looks really nice. I mean, it's nice to have more colors in iPhone anyway, so people have a selection. I'd call this lilac. This is sort of purple. So it's like two-tone lilac. And just open this. I love how the screen is always so clean when you first open it. I wish it was always like this. But anyway, let's have a quick look at the iPhone 12. Okay, so same thing, bigger box, purple, purple, purple. Everything here is purple. Wow, the bigger the iPhone, incredible it looks. So let me just put this to this side. Again, so you got the manual and the lightning cable. Everything else is pretty much the same. So now we've got both of these powered on. I mean, they look incredible, just like the previous iPhones. And this is how it looks, the purple iPhone. So if you're into a purple sort of color theme, then these are great iPhones to have. There's nothing different with these iPhones compared to the other iPhone 12s. Showcase the color to you. So if you're thinking of buying the iPhone 12 mini or the iPhone 12, you'll have a variety of colors to choose from. You've got the white, the black, the blue, the green, the purple, and of course the product red. Before I end the video, let me know in the comments below what kind of finish you like on your iPhone. Do you like the variant color that we get nowadays with the glass back? Or did you like the silver, or the matte, or the shiny finish from the old iPhones? Or like the two-tone finish on the iPhone 5S. So Apple has made so many variety of phones, different finishes. I think some of my favorite would be like this one here and this one, which is like classic. If you are thinking of getting an iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 mini, I'll still shop around because 6 months later the iPhone 13 is going to be coming out. You don't really want to go and spend £800-900. But yeah, that is it guys. Nothing else new to the iPhones, just the summer color, and this is the purple iPhone. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.